So let me just give you a recap about our strong numbers. These are our strong numbers 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And these are our weak numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the strong numbers have the power to push the other number, and the weak numbers have no power to change any other number. So here's a recap for you. So just start the question over here. Now here are some questions for you, but first of all, see the tips. First tip is that look at the hundreds number. So now today we will be studying about the hundreds place. So we will be doing a round off to the nearest 100. This is the first step, and the next step is that next number is weak or strong. That means that you have to decide by your next number that whether this number can be changed or cannot be changed. So first of all, see, this is the ones place, this is the tens place, and this is the hundreds place. So you have to round off to the nearest 100, but your focus, as you have to decide by this number, as 4 is less than 5, that means it is coming in this weak category, so it have no power to change this number. So this number 3 will be coming as it is 3, and other two numbers will become 0, 0, as we are doing round off to the nearest 100. So next, come to the next question. Again, your focus will be on this number, as this we have to change, the hundreds place we have to change, but this number will be deciding that whether we have to change this number or it will come as it is. So this is 8 number, and this is coming in the strong category, as the 8 number is strong, so it can give all the power to 6. So that means that this have the power to change this number. So now the 6 number will be changed to the next number, as it is given all the power to this number. It will become 7, and other two numbers will become 0, 0. Now the third one again, you have to focus on this number on your hundreds place, because we are rounding off to the nearest 100. So but the next number, whatever it is, you have to focus over here, that it will be decided that this number is weak or strong. But this number is again strong, so it have the power to change this number. This will become the next number, as it is given the power to this number. So 3 will become 4, and other two numbers will become 0, 0. Easy. So now the last thing for you is this. Powerful numbers. In this question, in this scenario, you will see that the majority of the numbers are powerful, but you have to round off to the nearest 100. As you can see that you have to round to the nearest 100, so your focus will be on this number on your hundreds place, but this number will decide. Now this number is 7. 7 is a bigger number, a strong number. But the next number is 9. 9 have no place to accommodate more power. So what will it will do, that this cannot be changed. So this will be created in a new number, which will be 1. And all three numbers will become 0, 0, 0. These are the powerful numbers. When you don't have any power to accommodate, a new number will be created. The next again is 994. Again, your focus will always be on hundreds place, because we are doing on the hundreds. So again, that you have to decide. This number will decide. This is also very powerful. This is also powerful. Where the all power will go. So the new number will be created. Again, one number will become, and all three numbers will become 0, 0, 0. So try to solve the last one and tell me that are you able to solve it? Thank you.